to provide better simulations from financial point of view for customers to see what could be profitable for them to get and also to achieve these green goals.
It definitely helps having the possibility to simulate upfront the technological investments and the return on investment. When using the Building as a Grid simulator, we are able to calculate what is the optimal investment that is needed, what is the optimal technological upgrade, but in the same time, what is the economical output of that.
Within Eaton, we are working with the full cycle of a product on what we call the Building as a Grid concept. And here we have offer from the design phase, engineering, consultancy, up to the installation and commissioning, until the whole life cycle where we provide maintenance for our customers.
With leasing, a project can be cash flow positive from day one, which is actually absolutely incredible because it removes the hurdle of the initial investments. Leasing is spread over a period of time.
Eaton partnered with BNP Paribas and created this leasing solution for financing energy transition. With this calculator, we can tailor financing for every client. Let's say the total project costs 50,000 Swiss francs over 60 months. You fill in all the necessary information and you get a fixed monthly leasing price. In this case, it would be 2,231.82 francs per month for the total infrastructure and access to Eaton service network.
The revenues that are generated by the new infrastructure can offset the cost of the leasing solution.